HE&M is proud to introduce the H90A-1 automatic horizontal pivot style metal cutting bifunction bandsaw. The saw's cutting capacity is 12 3/4 inch round by 12 3/4 inch flat. The H90A-1 uses a 1-inch wide blade that is driven by a 3 horsepower motor, which can be wired for 220 or 440 volts. Blade speed is easily and quickly controlled with an infinitely variable speed drive that lets you select the best cutting speed ranging anywhere from 60 to 300 surface feet per minute. Blade speed is set with just the turn of a knob. The blade guide system incorporates side and back blade guides that utilize carbide inserts for long wear, stability, and long blade life. The manual blade tensioner helps to keep the blade at the proper tension. It assures and maintains proper blade tension at all times during the cutting process. The control console is located on the top of the saw for operator convenience. The saw may be operated in semi-automatic or fully automatic mode. A powered arm lift is easily controlled from the console. The saw vise slides on the vise ways. When the clamp is engaged, the air-powered short stroking vise is pulled toward the fixed wear plate, clamping the material in place to ensure accurate cuts. Clamping pressure can be adjusted anywhere from 0 to 1,700 pounds. Hold-down fixtures also aid in the clamping of multiple pieces of material in a single row. The blade feed rate can be adjusted from 0 to 3 inches per second to regulate the saw arm traverse rate. Cutting pressure can be adjusted from 0 to 800 pounds. Heavy-duty band wheels provide stability. A powered blade brush is standard for positive removal of metal chips that may lodge in the blade gullets. This system ensures a cleaner blade, more accurate cuts, and prolonged blade life. Like all HE&M saws, the H90A-1 is equipped with a safety cutoff switch. This allows the operator to closely monitor the cutting process and quickly stop it if needed. The automatic bar feed on the saw is comprised of an air-operated shuttle vise feed system with a 0 to 24-inch single index feed stroke. The feed table includes a vertical alignment bar and mechanical readout. The standard discharge table provides easier handling after the cut. The table is 12 inches in length and is fully coolant panned. The saw has a totally built-in coolant system with sealed coolant pump. The coolant is dispensed through the guide arms on both sides of the cut. A cutting fluid cleanup hose is provided for machine washdown. The machine is equipped with blade guards and awareness barriers for safety purposes. Optional equipment for the H90A-1: reduced capacity top clamps, main and feed, spray mist lubrication system, manual switching, spray mist lubrication system, flood mist selector switch, third holding vise and interlocking vise jaws, pedestal control console, 24-inch discharge table, and stock tables.